This might be the biggest Apple launch in years, and I'm not talking about the iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, definitely not the Air. I'm talking about the base iPhone model, the iPhone 17. And I know upgrades were long overdue, and Apple has given all of that and surprisingly so much more that makes the iPhone 17 probably the iPhone to get, and a big win for India, not so much for Android makers, because what will they bitch about now? Look, this is the new iPhone 17, and I've said this time and again, India wants more for, less, and the iPhone 17 is just the epitome of that. Yeah, subscribe for more fancy words. I mean, the iPhone 17 costs 83K in India, and at this price, it's definitely more feature-rich than the Air, which costs 1.2 lakhs, and even packs most of the Pro features you get in the iPhone 17 Pro, which by the way costs 52,000 more at 1.35 lakhs. I mean, first off, the iPhone 17 brings a massive display upgrade, a Pro upgrade. I mean, it's got narrow bezels now, so the display goes to 6.3 inches from 6.2. But more importantly, this brings Pro motion. It's brighter now at 3000 nits, up from 2000 in the 16. It's got the anti-reflective coating too, the new ceramic shield too for better scratch and dust protection. So pretty much everything. I know what, don't get confused with the whole Pro motion. This is a 120Hz LTPO display, and that means you get always on display. I mean, this is literally the same display as the Pro. Now, I know the iPhone 17 has the Apple A19 chip, which has one less GPU core, but just like the 17 Pro, the 17 too comes with 256GB storage in the base variant. I mean, finally, thank you, Tim. In terms of cameras too, the iPhone 17 comes with a new 18-megapixel center stage selfie camera with the new squarish sensor, and this is the same as the Pro models. And one big change is you won't have to rotate the phone to click a landscape photo or to include a lot more people in group selfies. You also get dual capture here and stabilization in video shot from the front camera. Even in terms of the rear cameras, the 17 has the 48-megapixel Fusion main camera, which has sensor shift OIS, 100% focus pixels, 2x optical quality zoom, and the 48-megapixel Fusion ultra wide-angle camera that also does macros, again just like the Pro. Now do note that the primary 48-megapixel camera on the iPhone 70 has a f1.6 aperture, while the 48-megapixel primary camera on the Pro has the f1.8 aperture. It also gets second generation sensor shift OIS, so not exactly identical cameras, but they're not too different either. Apart from this, another much awaited feature that the 17 brings is faster charging, and this supports 40-watt charging now, again the same as the Pro, along with 25-watt G2 charging. Again, yeah, you get it. It's also got the same Apple N1 chip, which brings Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6, and yeah, the same Qualcomm modem as the Pro models. But yeah, I know, let's face it, the Pro does have some Pro advanced features. I mean, it does have the new periscope telephoto lens with 8x optical zoom, which seems exciting. It's also got a vapor chamber now, which the 17 lacks. It's also got a bigger battery, the A19 Pro chip. It's got 4K 120fps and 100 fps support, a faster USB 3 port, but that's pretty much it. And for more than 50,000 rupees, this isn't a whole lot more. Bragging rights, yeah, sure, but not a lot else. Honestly, if you ask me, the iPhone 17 is like a big win for India. It's like the iPhone for India because it's launched at 83K, 78K with the bank discount. But if you go by the previous years, the base iPhone models always get deals in just a couple of months. I mean, just wait for the year-end sales. I mean, to give you an idea, the iPhone 16 was available at 69K with the bank discount in the year-end sale of 2024, and in the Republic Day sale, it was available at 65K. Now imagine this iPhone 17 with all of its big upgrades at 70K or 65K. That's a killer phone right there, and yeah, this is gonna sell like hotcakes come BBD 2026. Look, this base iPhone, this is the one phone that we Indians buy a lot, irrespective of the 60Hz display, the slower charging, all of the cut downs. And finally, Apple has addressed it all in the new iPhone 17, and they brought it a lot closer to the flagships, the Pro models, and all of that while keeping the price almost there, almost the same. Anyway, were you about to buy an iPhone 16 in this sale and now you're having second thoughts, right? Right? I got it, right? Bas, aise hi khel jata hai Tim.
Thank you.